Gary, Paintless Dent repair. I ain't never heard of such a thing. Why the hell would I care?
Why would you care?
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had a small ding or dent anywhere on your vehicle?
Yes, I
Okay.
have, of course.
And did you go get it fixed?
No, we don't fix those things.
Why not?
Well, why would I fix a little ding or a dent?
Well, let me ask you a
First of all,
question.
I got like 20 of them.
Okay. Well, let me ask you a question.
Okay?
Do you feel like you've ever paid, you've had those on other vehicles, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever paid to have those replaced?
No.
Okay. Do you think when you brought your vehicle in for trade, you may have paid to have those repaired or replaced? Or I'm sorry, not replaced, repaired?
No, I'm not sure I follow you.
Well, taking a look at your vehicle, like you mentioned, it looks like it's been hit more times than Muhammad Ali, but the difference is when you trade a vehicle in, those are all the things that we take into consideration in repairing your vehicle, or I'm sorry, in appraising your vehicle. Because the next person who walks through the door, the vehicle that you're looking at today doesn't have any dings or dents in it, does it?
No.
So would you assume someone very similar to yourself, handsome and intelligent, would want a vehicle without dings and dents in it?
I would guess so, yeah.
And that's why we go ahead and fix that for you. Actually, the nice thing about this vehicle today is that when you purchase the vehicle, you get up to 6 months of those taken care of at no charge whatsoever to you, paintless dent repair. And how long were you planning on keeping this vehicle?
3, 4, 5 years.
This is great news. Since you're buying a Motor Trend certified vehicle, you can actually take that 6 months and extend that out to your entire ownership period. Steve, let's go make sure this is the right car for you.
The man hand.